always with viewers. Never forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi viewers, once again welcome back to my channel, and here now I'm with my good friend. Please may I know your name please? Your name? No.
मैं स्वयं तेवगा में पावे आज 67वां फाउंडेशन डे और 33वां कॉन्फ्रेंस जेमी स्टूडेंट यूनियन की सहायता से, और मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में ऐसे शक्ति ऊर्जा मुख्य अतिथि के द्वारा मुझे प्राप्त हुआ है। मैं इसे ग्रहण कर अपने जीवन में किस प्रकार उपयोग करें, किस प्रकार समाज को बताएं, यह सोचकर मैं आज विचार कर बहुत खुश हूँ।
Beautiful ones, so we see them. I hope our viewers also would like to see them, so let's see how we do soon. Okay, anything cosa?
Asia volunteer
Volunteer. Kamay ko mo nga dalawang taon na hanggang imo siya.
isang lab kedal wong laser before da kamay wala bisui sang la.
Thank you. Ano siya?
Ang hilang kami.
Nice to meet you. Nah, nggak ada kontak siapa tuh ya? Mau ada dia main program apa saya? Program tentu kan nangkap tuh dalamnya kalau.
Isang lab program tentu lu sang kami Helo. Ay, ra về Helo sẽ sang lên chỉ một về hai mươi ngàn một tiền, đang rồi ý với tiền đang còn một sang làm Helo sẽ sang.
Beautiful. Lấy làm cái tay là đang gì thế?
Gì á, con lên này.
Kalau dengan nice to meet you, nah nang my program nang gay ini siya.
Mình có program của mga lu isang đó rồi mi ya mày nó cái lần mày đây kiểu mga lu je mu program ko mudi mere to chike so ai mana mi samdam ni sanga chi de aten ko lu ni samdam min kinga lu lu long sanga rồi mu do program di bu kam lai ching ram go
Aja lu bang lare, lu sebel kisah lah nice to meet you, lu sih. Alhamdulillah. Hi viewers, once again thanks a lot for being with us, and now I'm here with my new friend, so they will introduce themselves and
Asia namsibda.
Okay, nice to meet you. Your name please?
Sir, my name is Jason Rama.
Jason Rama. Okay, nice to meet you.
Upon Government College.
Government class. And how was our program? And how do you spend the day?
Yeah, it's very incredible, and I got lots of points, important.
Okay, from our guests, right?
Yeah.
I hope they may also enjoy a lot, and viewers. So please, can you kindly share a brief idea?
I'm really excited to be here.
Hi, now I'm with our NSA president, so I will interview him how he spent out the day on this occasion. So I want to know how you enjoy and how you spend here. So please, can you kindly share your view with us?
आज यहाँ जेमी स्टूडेंट के 66 फाउंडेशन डे कम 33 बिएनियल कॉन्फ्रेंस में आकर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। मैं हूँ एनएसए का प्रेसिडेंट कॉलेज यूनिट, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि सभी ऐसे आगे बढ़े और एक दूसरे का सहारा दे, और मैं मिस्टर जिलियांग को बेस्ट विश देता हूँ कि वो ऐसा ही प्रमोट करते रहे, और मैं सभी से कहूँगा कि उसकी फ्रेश टॉक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें, और ऐसा वीडियो ताकि वो हमें अच्छे वीडियो देते रहें।
Okay, thank you very much, our president sir. Now I'm with new friend, new YouTubers, and he has his own channel. And dear friend, please do support with him also, and he has own channel called, what is that your channel name? Ramheva. He has channel name called Ramheva. So friend, please subscribe his channel to promote. She's a beautiful lady, and you all may like to know her name also, so she will introduce herself. Please may I know your name?
My name is Wingsilan Rama, and I came here to observe a 66 Foundation come 33 biennial conference of the Jamie Student Union. And
okay, then I hope you may enjoy a lot here. So
yeah,
please may I know how you enjoy here?
Actually, I enjoyed a lot. Especially, I got a platform to perform a song, and it is more wonderful because we get a chance to meet a lot of worthy people like JMA Council President and also special invitees from Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. So it's a very big opportunity. I request everyone to please subscribe this channel because your subscribes will mean a lot to this channel. So please subscribe.
Nice to meet you.
मेरा नाम है किजुगांग नेम है किजुगांग नेम है
How do you feel attending on this program, today's program?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज जेमी स्टूडेंट यूनियन असम का कॉन्फ्रेंस 66 कॉन्फ्रेंस और 66 फाउंडेशन डे और 33 कॉन्फ्रेंस उसमें जेमी स्टूडेंट यूनियन असम में जितने गांव हैं उसे सभी यूनिट अलग अलग यूनिट से आए हुए सभी यहाँ पर डेलीगेट्स कॉन्फ्रेंस जेमी स्टूडेंट यूनियन इसी तरह आगे को हमारा जो स्टूडेंट यूनियन को यूनिटी करना होगा तो इस तरह का प्रोग्राम हमेशा करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हम सब के बीच यूनिटी लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Okay, thank you very much.
Control tu raga bisa, nilam pomai tu nesya kam tu dah. Babu muda je ni nengkar tu dah. अभी ने aspect है ना मेरा क्या गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर में प्रयास है हम से हम रहेंगे अभी aspect है मतलब माने ना मैं economically ना मैं advanced है economically
Picture all the blindness of narrow-minded people and the narrow-minded street. Thank you.
Alright, once again welcome back to our channel, and here I'm with Mr. He's from Mahor, and he will introduce himself, and he's the president of the Mahor unit. So what and how is his journey? So now it's okay.
My name is Emmanuel Rema from Mahur.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I came for this program.
You're Emmanuel, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I came here for this program in 66 biennial conference here in Lodiram. I feel very nice. It was my first experience to attend this big program. I'm so grateful here that to call me here out with all your wishes. For the first time, I'm taking here this kind of videos.
Okay.
And my journey was very good. I don't think I have traveled like this with great enjoyment. With
Okay,
students
sir,
together.
please may I know how many of them are coming with you? Please can you?
From Mahur we came 38,
38. Okay, thank you.
girls
And
23,
23,
boys 16.
boys 16.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anh cài đi bên đây đi.
Còn gì á hả?
Cài tốt nên nuôi câu giờ. Bây giờ anh chút chuyện với cài tốt chuyện với.
Kalau saya đi nuôi cọp thì gì cọ?
Đó anh cài bên nuôi nên cài đi. Anh cài bên đây không nghe nuôi mà.
Friend never failed to do this.